Hello friends, in this lesson we will start where we left off in the last lesson. We will learn how to create vector shapes using the custom shape tool. This is the last option here. Now in the last two lessons we learned how to create basic vector shapes using pen tool and some basic primitive shapes under the shape tool. We need to learn about this last shape tool called custom shape tool. Let's grab it and make sure that this option is set to path. Now friends, the custom shape tool is a bit different from the rest of the shape tools. We can tell custom shape tool what to draw. There are a lot of different presets built in. Let's go to the shape option, click on the small arrow and look at them. These are the default custom shapes in Photoshop CS6. You can see there are a lot of different shapes like scissors, arrow, bulb and many more. Now it also has a shape library. There are a lot of preset libraries, animals, arrows, artistic textures, and we can select and load any of these libraries. For example, let's load this animals. Okay. This is the animal preset library. To reset, just click on this gear and reset shapes. Okay. We've got the default shapes. We can also manage our shape presets in the preset manager here. We are on the custom shapes. We can click and drag any of these shapes to reposition, or we can delete them, rename them, or whatever we want to do with them. I'll close it. Let's now draw a custom shape. Say this thick arrow. Let's draw. Now while I'm drawing it, you can see that it is unconstrained. I hope by now you know what is constrained and what is unconstrained. We can go to this gear menu and select these options: defined proportions, defined size, fixed size, or from center. Or we can use the keyboard shortcuts Shift to constrain, Alt to draw from the center, and spacebar to reposition it. Pretty simple. I'll now show you how to create our own custom shape and save them to our preset library. Let's hold Ctrl to access the path selection tool, make a marquee selection around this one and delete it. Again hold Ctrl, select this one. I am making changes to this custom shape tool. You can draw any shape of your own with the pen tool. If you are good at drawing, take the pen tool. Let's add some anchor points on this shape. Say I have added an anchor point here and one here. Let's delete this one. Now these two are the control handles of these two anchor points. They are crossing each other. Let's hold Ctrl to access the path selection tool and select this one. Let's grab this control handle, hold Alt to break it and Shift to constrain it to 45 degrees angle like so. Let's do the same thing with this one. Hold Alt to break it and Shift to constrain to 45 degrees. Move it back a bit. I'll select this one and move it here. Now we have got a flat edged arrow. Let's alter it a bit more. Let's grab these 2 points like so. Let's grab these 2 points and move them a bit in. Once we are done creating a shape, let's save it in the shape preset library. Go to edit drop down, define custom shape and name it. I'll name it modified arrow. Okay, let's hold control, make a marquee selection and delete it. Let's grab the custom shape tool again, go to this drop down, and we have our custom shape here. Grab it and start drawing. Alright, great. So I recommend you to explore this presets library. There are loads of different shapes in these preset libraries in Photoshop CS6. Have fun with them. That's all for this lesson, friends. See you in the next lesson.